All right, so we're gonna black out all the chrome on this 2019 Denali. So to start, we're gonna scuff all the chrome with a gray Scotch-Brite pad. For adhesion, I'm gonna use an acid etch primer, then seal it, and then paint it black. Alright, so now that everything is black, I'll finish it off with a sexy clear coat.
So we got the 19 Denali here. We're going to be doing some brakes and some suspension work on it. What I'm going to go ahead and do first is get all the brakes torn off the truck, and then I'll start with the fronts because we're going to do the drop knuckle with the brakes. I'm going to do the front brakes and the front drop all together, and then I'll move on to the rear, get the springs in, and get the new shock relocations installed on the rear. Brembo makes them really cool and easy to where you pull off your stock stuff, you put on your new stuff, install a couple of pieces of hardware, and then their system bolts right on. You don't have to do any assembly of rotors, none of that. They do all that for you. So all you got to do is pull all your rotors and calipers off, install your new rotors, put your new calipers on, check a few things, and you're ready to go. So with the new rear brakes being so large, we're running into a little bit of an issue with the rear dust shields. So what I need to do is figure out where I need to clearance them. And it's basically, I just need to go around and trim off the outside lip of them. That way they don't interfere with the new rotor and caliper. And then when I get those fitted, I'm going to pull everything back off. I'm going to go back through, paint all the dust shields, make sure they don't rust anywhere, and then reassemble everything. Now that the suspension and the brakes are all finished up, I'm gonna go ahead and take these new wheels we got from B-Forged here, get the tires mounted on them, and then we're gonna get them on the truck, double check over a bunch of stuff, and then we're gonna go get it tuned.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.